This corridor right here, starting from the southwest up through the central plains and up into the Midwest, could experience several major winter storms over the next couple weeks. We're also watching a potential major Arctic plunge out west to start off February. All right, let's talk about the weather. Right here is our European Ensemble's 2-week snow projections. And obviously we see a major shift in our snow projections up into the north and west. And as we push into February, we can see the east wanting to warm up a little bit as the west cools down. Now, a lot of this has to do with the placement of our jet stream. Over the last couple months, our jet stream has been bringing a lot of troughing out into the east and a lot of ridging out to the west. This allows cold Arctic and Canadian air to sink down into the east and also allows our storm tracks to be moving up and down the east coast, while holding drier and warmer conditions in the west. This jet stream is expected to flip though. Look at what happens as we get into the first couple days of February. We're beginning to see our jet stream setting up some troughing out in the west and some ridging out in the east. Again, bringing those colder temperatures back into the west and those warmer temperatures out east, especially the southeast. Now, with this type of setup, our storm tracks will change. Again, instead of seeing these storms that want to dig down into the south and up the east coast, following that jet stream, we're looking at a potential setup that's going to want to bring a lot of these storms up through the central plains and out towards the Midwest, which again is why I suspect NOAA likes this region to see above average precipitation in February. I do think we'll have a better chance of this precipitation being snow on the north and west side, while we might have some more mixing and rainfall on the east side during February. And again, with this type of troughing, we are expecting some enhanced precipitation up in the northwest, and we could see some low elevation snow with this because of that cold air. As we approach next weekend, we may see the first of a few winter storms moving up through this corridor, as our jet stream looks to lock in place. The one thing we really will have to watch is the severe weather potential that this could bring down to the south and east of these storms through the first couple weeks of February. And believe me, I will keep you updated on this. Lastly, this is pretty far out, but we do have some model consensus on a massive dip in our jet stream to start off February. Guys, this type of vertical troughing would really sink some Arctic air very far south. But again, we need a little bit more time to see how amplified this trough actually will be, because sometimes models in this range are a little more aggressive than they should be. But this would potentially be a very significant event for the west, southwest, and south central regions, so we're going to keep our eyes on it. All right, I appreciate you watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or a sub. I make posts like this every single day, and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.